Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have another update for Microsoft Edge this week. The update that was released today, Friday, June 6th, is a bug fixing update. So if you go into your Edge browser, upper right corner, the three horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge, you'll be pushed to 137.0.3296.68. Previous update was .62. And as they say without much detail, is that it's a performance and bug fix update. So that means that something was probably not going right, and they have issued a fix for it. A lot of times there are fixes for different browsers that could be very unique to the browser. Somebody asked me, well, I see sometimes that there's an update for one browser and not another one. And it happens often because, each browser, even though based on the same Chromium basic code, has a layer on top. And sometimes it's that layer on top that has bugs or problems. So this is probably what was happening here. So if you were wondering what that update's all about, it is just bug fixes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.